We've got to be realistic though. We're going into a future that we've not really seen, and therefore how these measures perform over time is going to be one of the critical questions we seek to address.
SpongeScapes is an EU Horizon project. In this project we work with 10 different partners on improving the water retention capacity of landscapes throughout Europe.
And we need to use more natural processes to retain this water so that we can have less problems with big floods or with periods of droughts.
So sponge measures, the idea is to slow the flow, either because you store the flow and you reduce the volume that is carried downstream and affecting infrastructure and people. So the idea of the sponge is also about retaining water and then slowly releasing it when it's more needed.
We see there's an increasing attention to nature-based solutions throughout Europe, and this is also because of this common vision that the EU is really putting forward that says let's work with nature rather than against it. And there's many solutions to do so. Using 14 different case studies from southern Greece, southern France to England and Poland, the Netherlands, Slovenia and Italy to really get an understanding how sponge measures work in different types of landscapes.
Those case studies provide the reality that is needed in a project like SpongeScapes. It's not just theoretical or modelling, it's grounded in reality.
The idea to develop sponge cities has been around for some years already. However, developing sponge landscapes provide a much stronger lever to really implement transformative change for water retention in Europe and beyond.
We're able to see the change that occurs between the design and implementation of a sponge measure and 28 years, 30 years almost of change, natural change. And over that time, obviously vegetation grows, the river channel might change, and the landscape around it. And so it's vital that we understand how these sponge measures change over time.
We really are looking forward to embrace the SpongeScapes solutions that it will provide, such as the natural-based solutions, to work together interdisciplinary, not only with ecologists, hydrologists, but also with morphologists, geographers, sociologues, in order to boost Europe towards the climate resilience by 2030 and also by 2050.
Therefore, SpongeScapes will take a major step forward in really bringing about change for more resilient landscapes for people and nature.